Sweet. And you guys are good at the front, correct? Yeah, buddy. Copy that. It's at 50 feet pre-contact. 3-3, you're clear for contact.
3-3.
30 feet. It's about 100 feet.
Delta 297, clear dark code.
3-3.
Pump in. Copy.
Delta 297.
And sure, that's 10K right there. Gonna disconnect.
6133. We'll take 2 or 3 more con.
Did you turn off the pumps after that offload?
Yeah, man.
Awesome.
Start that turn to it. Come on.
And door 61. It's Boeing 33. That'll do it for us, guys. We're at 230. We're going to be left-hand turn to the south and RTB.
All right, left-hand turn to the south at 23,000.
03102, just at the pilot's discretion, maintain 10,000. Altimeter 2993, information Juliet.
We won't be able to see him, but he's coming back soon.
Copy that.
E68 Sierra Charlie, standby. For E68 Sierra Charlie.
Off to the right, left. I'm pumping. Copy. Center line. Off to the right. Center line. One pump. Right 2. Right. 5-1, you're clear for contact. 40 feet.
S6151, can we take a more southwesterly heading, more towards Falcon, maybe like a 200, 210?
With pleasure. Dive. 6-1 contact. 6-1 disconnect.
What disconnect?
Just drop it down a little bit. 10 feet. 20. 30. All clear, pre-contact.
920-138.
6151, we're going to do about 15 minutes here, just in a circle, 200.
6-1 Oscar. We'll probably do 10
Thank you.
minutes and then we'll race you out of here.
See you.